Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we're going back to the subway.
It's okay, thank you.
Let's go, Raleigh. Alright, let's go to Kipling Station. So guys, we bought my cake. Mommy, show the cake to the camera. So we bought this chocolate cake. I think it's called a cookies and cream brownie cake. So today's my birthday. And so we're gonna go 149 Tobacco Board. That's the boarding area. So okay, let's watch it. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so subway buses via underpass. Islington Avenue. Alright guys, so right now on line 1 Young University, there is no subway service between Osgood and College. And on line 2, there is no service between Ossington and St. George stations due to planned track work. So the buses are operating, right Mom? Yeah, so they... Look at this giant poster. Oh, that's the Kipling train. Alright, let's go. That's the Kipling train. Oh, the train's here. Go, 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 go. What? Wait for the next one?
So we can wait for you.
Alright guys, so this is Islington Station. So guys, you can see no service between Ossington and St. George. We are going next station, Kipling, Westbound to Kipling. Right. So guys, here's the secret at Islington Station. Hey, Mom, you want to hear the secret about Islington, Mom? So these walls here have been here for almost this wall's been here for years. The station opened in 1968 as the extension from Peel to Islington. So this used to be the western terminus of line 2, Bloor-Danforth, until 1980 when it was extended to Kipling. Riley, can we show them your new toy? So Riley got this whale set, animal set, and he got this paper transfer. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so danger, stay off the tracks. Stand back and no smoking. There's the group station manager poster. Okay guys, I don't see it. Alright, I'll see you. Maybe eastbound every 5 minutes. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so last year these said eastbound every 3 minutes, but now it says eastbound every 5 minutes. So instead of Kennedy, it'll say Ossington. Closed. What? Closed? What do you mean closed? the DWA area. Okay, so oh, the train's coming. The train's coming. All right. All right, guys, the train's coming. You hear it? Riley, look, the train's coming. Let's go inside. Line 2 toward Kipling. Want to sit over there? Alright guys, so we're only gonna go one stop to Kipling.
The next station is Kipling Station.
Car 5002 and 3. What in the? Look at that people transfer. That's from Jane Station. Look guys, there's Dundas Street over there. Police Aquarium, guys. Look at the roof of this train.
Arriving at Kipling Station.
Alright guys, so wait, I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we're gonna do the exact thing we did last time by watching the train leave station. So what platform are we going? West or east? Let's see. I think we're gonna go on the eastbound tracks. Alright, looks like we're staying on the westbound tracks. Oh yeah, there's another train right there. Wait, that's the train that we were on earlier. Mama, can we watch that train? Alright. Line 2 points Kipling. Here we are, guys, Kipling subway station. Hey, Mom, you can go on this bench. Hey, okay, I'll see you later. Alright, guys, so this is Kipling subway station. Eastbound. They upgraded the map. Let's see. See you at line 5. Here. What is the roll sign? Kennedy and Islington. So this train's gonna be leaving Kipling Station. it's departing over there. It's like this. So from here you can catch airport buses, especially the 900.
Girl, that's the smallest thing I've ever done. You just
It's, next train will be on this platform. Looks like they didn't upgrade this map yet. Alright guys, look, it's leaving. Alright guys, the train's leaving. Heading out to Islington. Heading out to Islington. Yeah. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so Riley, look, it says Kipling on it. Alright, let's go catch the 44. Alright, let's go up. So this is Kipling Station. You can tell by that. Eastbound to Kennedy. Next station is Islington. If you can tell by that. Looks like they're cleaning the train. Oh yeah, look, there's the area. Where? Going south to Kipling Station. We should wait. Let's wait here. I want it. Alright guys, so while we wait for the 44, let's take a look at the maps. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so we just did a picture and we're over here at Kipling. And look, the 29 Guelph Central Go bus is here. The Milton train, subway buses, My Way buses, and the North Lot. This is what Kipling Station looks like. Looks like the train. Oh, looks like a train's arriving. Train's arriving. Train's arriving. Let's see if I can watch it from here. Yeah, you can see it from under here. That was pretty cool. Look, you can see the train right there. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and have a good weekend everyone. Greetings from Kipling Station.